Namaste students. खुश रहो बिटिया. I JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic Central Composite Design. Central Composite Design topic belongs to the subject Research Methodology and Biostats for the B Pharm 8th semester students. So now we'll discuss Central Composite Design. In short form, CCD. The Central Composite Design sampling method is widely used in the response surface application. In last session में हमने डिस्कस किया था response surface methodology. उसी से relevant topic है ये Central Composite Design. The Central Composite Design sampling method is widely used in the response surface application by selection, corner, axial, and center point. It is an ideal solution for fitting a second order response surface model. However, as it requires a relatively large number of sample points, the CCD method should only be chosen in a later stage of the RSM application when the total number of important variables is reduced to an acceptable figure. Firstly, for the understanding, एक एग्जाम्पल हम लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल a type of third second order model is proposed for a two random variables response surface problems, and the CCD for the central composite design method is chosen to select the sample points as illustrated for any example. In the terms of the coded variables, the design will have 4 runs at the corner of the square. One run at the center point, suppose that 0, 0, and another 4 axial runs taken for the under root 2, under root 2, under root 2, 0, under root 0 and 2. The total number of sample points selected for the fitting such a type of 3 model in 9, determined by the equation 2k plus 2k plus 1. 2k plus 2k plus 1 bracket close to the power 10. While the minimum number of runs for fitting such model in a saturated sampling method is determined by the equation 2k plus 1. Thus, when k is relatively large, the computational cost of running a finite element program using the CCD method is considerable higher. So the composite central composite design, a Box-Wilson central composite design, commonly called as central composite design, is frequently used for the building second order polynomial for the response variables in response surface methodology without using a complete full factorial design of experiment. To establish the coefficient of our polynomial with the quadratic terms, the experimental design must have at least 3 levels of each factor. In CCD, for central composite design, there are 3 different points, namely factorial points, central points, and axial points. Factorial points are vertices of n-dimensional cube which are coming from the full or factorial design where the factor level are coded to -1 or +1. Central point is the point at the center of design space, and axial points are located on the axis of the coordinate system symmetrically with respect to the central point at the distance alpha from the design. There are 2 main varieties of CCD, namely face-centered CCD and rotatable face-centered CCD. In face-centered CCD, a K factor 3 level experiment design require the particular formula for the finding of this experiment, where K is the number of factors point are in the corner of the cube representing the experiment domain in the center of each face of the cube. and the C point are the replicates in the center of the cube, and the necessary to estimate the variability of the experimental measurement, that is to say the repetition of the phenomena which carries out the lack of fit or curvature test for the model. The center point may vary from the 3 to 6 axis. The example of 3-level 3-factor FCC design is also very important for the CCD. So the factorial points at the corner of the cube, while the white circle represent axial points in the center of each face of the cube, and the star mark represent the center point. The center point is very important for the central composite design. This work described the use of central composite design to examine the ultrasonic welding of nylon. Prior to the welding, all samples were dried in a vacuum for 24 hours at 90 degrees centigrade and in Fahrenheit 194 degree Fahrenheit. So results showed that in order to produce the strongest weld within the limit of designed experiment, the weld time and cooling time should be maximum 1 and 1.2 seconds respectively, with the well force at minimum 249 nanometer. When welding semi-crystalline material, high amplitudes are selected, and it is therefore important to use minimum weld force to prevent stress being locked into the joint and prevent stalling of the machine during the HOR startup phase. Now we come to the what is the CCD method. The CCD method also maintains the rotatability of the variation, which is helpful in the maintaining the accuracy of the model fitting, intermediate between saturated design and CCD design. There is another popular design method called as the factorial design method, which select only the corner point, summarize the number of distinct sample points required by these three different design method for the fitting different RS model. So what is the effect of CCD? The effect of contact time and methylene blue concentration at bentonite clay concentration of 6.5 mg. For the example, the contact time has been significant effect that the initial concentration of dye. In this study, in this protocol, the residue have a normal distribution because they follow a straight line with minimal variation from its direction. In this way, the adequate or proposed model for the observer's set of data was confirmed. So this stat significance of equation term was estimated based on p-value. The model term are significant when this value is less than numbers of item, while the value greater than 0.110 indicate that the model terms are not significant. So the central composite is more useful methodology for the modeling and various technology process in the case of a small number of performed experiment compared with one variable at a time for the approach. Thus, in this topic, it was applied for the modeling absorption and process of methylene blue and aqueous medium using bentonite clay and absorbent. A second order polynomial equation was successfully used for the describing this session. This is the complete protocol for this session. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve the problem by the problem resolving classes. Thank you, students.